Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all fine and safe. The topic for today's video is grammar. I'm gonna discuss prefixes, suffixes and homophones. So with that said, let's roll the intro. Part A is prefixes. A prefix is a group of letters which you can place at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. For example, unhappy, rebuilt, extraordinary. Now you have to tell me the meanings of these three words with prefix and without prefix. For practice, you can complete this chart by writing your own examples and meanings as well. Here are my examples. For un, I have written unable, uncertain, unfair, which means not. For re, I have written redo, review, remarry, which means again. For extra, I have written extracurricular, which means outside or beyond. Next prefix is dis. Again, you can write your own examples and meanings as well. Here are my examples and meaning. Prefix im. Alright, so part B is suffixes. A suffix is a group of letters which you can place at the end of the word to change its meaning. For example, cheapest and worthless. Like prefixes, here you can again write your own examples and meanings too. My examples for est are hardest, oldest, weakest, which means the most. And for less, I have written endless and meaningless, which means without. Another suffix is ed, which we use as worked, appeared, appointed. Well, there can be different sounds for this suffix, but it's always spelled as ed. Another suffix is able. Okay, so part C is about homophones. Now what are homophones? Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meaning. For example, whether and weather have the same sound but their meanings are different. For practice, you can make your own sentences and you can write the meaning too. So the meaning for first weather is the temperature and second one is your own choice between two things. Another homophone is right and right. Again, the sound is same and meanings are different. One right is to write with a pen and the other one is wrong. So guys, this was all about this video today. I hope you liked this video and you have understood suffixes, prefixes and homophones. A video on Chatterbox is coming soon, so stay tuned and thanks a lot for watching.
Caught in the crossfire.